in this session, we are going to cover about the features of the Linux or identify the Linux characteristics. Okay, so let's talk about the characters of the Linux. So one is a most character is free open source, or you can show FOSS, free open source software. What does it mean? Does it means this is available free, you can download and you can install, and it is the open source. Open source means the source code available for everyone. Source code will be available for the everyone. So what is the source code? For the example, you have developed a website. You have developed a website, developed a program. So there is some coding. You will have to complete the coding. After completing the coding, you will get a result. Means you can complete your program. So open source means this coding will be available for everyone. This coding will be available for everyone. That is the reason it is called open source. So the coding for the Linux is available for the everyone. Anybody can download it and you can use it and you can do the modification of it. Okay. So this is free and open source software. Another is a distributions. Distributions also it is called distro in a short form. Distro. So distribution is a combination of the Linux operating system plus particulars application. Linux operating system means, for the example, there is a one operating system. Linux is a Debian. Okay, and Debian plus adding some softwares, adding some applications, and then is equal to avian and basic applications. What are the applications? Basic applications. Then the new operating system has been developed. It is called Ubuntu. I think all of you have heard. Similar is a Debian plus penetration testing, pen testing applications. Pen testing applications is equal to Kali Linux. Means the base operating system is a Debian, Kali Linux. Okay, it have the specific purpose. There is another like the Ubuntu plus some pen testing applications is equal to black box. This is actually used black box, or you can say another operating system also known as a parrot operating system. These are the hacking operating systems: black box, Parrot OS, Kali Linux. And also there is a one Debian based is a Arc and CH. So there is a multiple flavor of the Arc is available. Means a Debian plus specific penetration testing tools is equal to Black Arch. This is also a hacking operating system. So these are the hacking operating system: Kali Linux, Black Arch, Black Box, Parrot OS, the specific things. Another is a Debian plus some software which is used for the SOC analyst. So is equal to Security Onion. What is the name of the operating system? Is Security Onion. This is actually used for the security analyst. There is a lots of the security analyst tools are available on here. So do you understand the distribution? Distribution is a combination of the Linux operating system plus specific applications which is going to be support or define the goal is equal to distribution. And everything has been done by the command line. Every Linux operating system has command line to do the task. Okay. Here is some character of the FOSS, free open source software. This is duplication is available. You can do the duplication, means you can make the copy and you can provide the to copy anyone. You can do the modification because source code is available, so you can do the modification as per your requirement. Re-release, you can release and you can do the modified version and then available, and it is available for the sharing. For the example, you have created your own operating system and you have started to sharing this operating system to everyone. Got it? So what is the license of the open source? Example is a GPL, GNU General Public License is a free. Apache license. These are the name of the licenses, which licenses as a define your product is a open source.